I'm about to show you guys this awesome website that will have you making $1,000 every 24 hours. It sounds insane, right? But it's actually true. The best thing about this method is that it is super easy to do, and even if you're a complete beginner, you'll be able to earn some serious cash with this method. Trust me guys, all you really need is a solid internet connection and a working device. I mean, just take a look at all of these people who have managed to make over $1,000 in their first 24 hours of doing this. So if you want to join them, then make sure to keep watching and pay close attention. Let's get into it. Okay, so today we're going to be using this super nifty tool called TimeBucks. So guys, TimeBucks actually pays you for doing things you probably already do online. Yep, you heard that right. You get paid for being your awesome self on the internet, and believe me, it's not one of those sketchy deals or too good to be true situations. I've been at it for a while now, and I'm pretty stoked about the results. I mean, seriously, who wouldn't want to earn some extra cash while scrolling through Facebook, doing surveys, checking out funny slideshows, playing around with cool games, and just generally chilling out? First off, we've got Facebook, the social media bomb we can't seem to get enough of. I mean, I'm practically glued feed most of the time, so why not make a few bucks while I'm at it, right? TimeBucks dishes out some cash just for posting stuff on there. It's like turning your post into little money making machines, and the best part, you don't have to be a social media guru to do this. Just be yourself, share what you like and catching. But wait, there's more. Ever find yourself lost in those hilarious slideshows? I know I do, and guess what? TimeBucks thinks that's worth paying for too. So you're telling me I can literally earn money while laughing at funny cat memes? Sign me up. Like yesterday, it's the kind of multitasking I can totally get behind. Now let's talk about gaming. Who doesn't love a good game? I know I'm all about that gaming life, whether it's strategy games or just some mindless fun. And here's the kicker, TimeBucks rewards you for playing games. Yup, you heard that right. It's like turning playtime into paytime. I mean, my teenage self would be so proud of this gig, and hey, even my adult self is pretty thrilled. But TimeBucks doesn't stop there. They're all about those micro tasks too, and when I say micro, I mean teeny tiny tasks that'll take just a few minutes. Think about it, those moments when you're waiting for your coffee to brew, or for a friend to text back instead of twiddling your thumbs. You could be making some cash. Install an app, complete a quick task, and bam, you're on your way to earning. It's like finding money in your pocket you didn't know you had. Oh, and let's not forget about surveys. Now, I know survey days, it might not be everyone's cup of tea, but hear me out. TimeBucks actually has some pretty interesting surveys that cover a bunch of topics, and the cool thing, you're not just answering questions for the heck of it. You're getting paid for sharing your thoughts and opinions. I mean, we all have opinions, right? Might as well cash in on them. So that's the scoop on TimeBucks. It's like this little secret treasure trove of online money making opportunities that I'm so glad I stumbled upon. If you're into making some extra bucks without sweating too much, this could be your jam. Step 1, sign up for TimeBucks. Alright, so the first step is to hop on over to the TimeBucks website over at timebucks.com, and now you're just a click away from turning your online time into some cold hard cash. Now when you land on the site, you've got options you can roll with. The classic Facebook sign up, easy peasy, right? Or if you're all about keeping things low key, just use your email and create a password. Whichever route you choose, the goal is the same, getting you set up to start raking in those bucks. Oh, and here's the part where we got to get a bit official. You know, terms and conditions, the stuff that no one ever really reads but is kinda important. It's like giving a virtual nod to the rules of the game. Just hit that accept button and you're officially in the TimeBucks club. Once that's done, you're in. You are officially part of the TimeBucks world. You've got your virtual ticket to the money making party. Now let's be real, signing up isn't rocket science. It's more like joining a fun online hangout where you're invited to earn while you do things you enjoy. And trust me, it's not one of those drawn out processes that make you want to pull your hair out. Nope, it's simple, straightforward, and quick, just the way I like it. Step 2, earn money through surveys. Okay, So now let me walk you through one of the ways to make money with time bucks. Surveys, so you know when you click on that surveys tab, boom, you're in for a treat. It's like a buffet of different surveys waiting for you to dive in and start earning some bucks. I mean, who would have thought that sharing your opinions could pad your wallet, right? But hold up, before you get all survey happy, there's a little detour we gotta take. Now, Time Bucks is all about quality, and they want to make sure you're on board for some serious survey action, so they've got this thing, a quality testing survey. Don't worry, it's not like a school exam or anything. You just need to get at least 80% of the answers right and you'll score a cool $0.1 plus. It's a quickie, 6 minutes. That's all it takes. But here's the deal. Surveys can be tricksters. Yeah, they've got those trap questions, the ones that suss out if you're just tapping random answers or if you're actually paying attention and giving honest responses. It's like a little game, and the better you play, the more rewards you reap over time. As you keep acing these surveys, you build up this quality score, and trust me, that score is your ticket to the good stuff. More surveys and more cash. It's like leveling up in the world of money making. Now let's get real for a second. If you're not in it to win it, if you're not really serious about putting in some effort and being truthful, then guess what? You might end up failing the survey challenge, and that means no surveys, no cash. So here's the word of wisdom: do the right thing. If you're in this to make some sweet dough, then take your time. Read the questions carefully and answer with honesty. It's like that saying, you reap what you sow. In this case, it's you earn what you answer. Oh, and don't be shy to check back often. Surveys have this sneaky way of popping up, so keep an eye out for new ones. And just a head up, not all survey completions will give you instant cash. Some might need a little extra approval time. Oh, and check this out. No need to wait for approvals or anything. You start earning straight away. It's like instant gratification, but for your wallet. And guess what? Time Bucks is super chill about payments. They dish out the earnings weekly, so you don't have to play the waiting game for too long before you see those sweet dollars coming your way. Step 3: refer your friends. So you've been rocking the surveys and raking in the cash, but guess what? There's an even cooler way to amp up your earnings: the referral program. The referral program is like a secret stash of extra income waiting for you to tap into. It's simple. You spread the word about Time Bucks to link, and when your friends jump on the Time Bucks train using that link, magic happens. You start earning a piece of the pie. And you know what's really cool? There's no limit to how many friends you can refer. The more people you bring in, the more you earn. It's like building your own little money making tribe. Now look, guys, there are a ton of websites and opportunities out there to make money, and I know how overwhelming and confusing it can get. That's why it's handy to know the best ways out there to make money, and I tested out this strategy for you so you can try it out. So hopefully this helps you out. If it does, then I'd really appreciate if you like and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks and all. See you next time.